Hey everyone, welcome back to my Dev Web App channel. Today I'm going to show you how to push a Next.js project to GitHub and link the GitHub repo to Vercel for instant previews and deployments. So I have a dashboard project that I created in the previous video using Next.js app router tutorial, and now I'm going to push my changes to GitHub. So I can open the doc and we have chapter 6, setting up database. And I'm going to push my project to GitHub and set up a Vercel account and link my GitHub repo. First of all, I need to open GitHub account. And if you don't have an GitHub account, you can create one. And then I'm going to create a new repository and provide repository name like Next.js dashboard. And I'll make it public and press create repository. Okay, and our repository was created, and we have some comments. And I'm going to copy this comment and open my project in Visual Studio Code. And now I'm going to open new terminal and provide my command. And also I'll create main branch. Okay, and let's add commit git add and provide commit git commit and provide message add dashboard pages and layout. Okay, and now we can push our changes to GitHub and git push. And okay, now we can check. I'm going to open my project. And as you can see, we have our code and we check our files on GitHub. And let's check that we have dashboard and customers invoices. Okay, looks good so far. And I can close my local host. And now we can create a Vercel account. And actually, I have one. And if you don't have Vercel account, you need to create one. And okay, and I have Next.js dashboard, and I can press import. And I'll leave project name as Next.js dashboard. And now I can press deploy. Okay, and let's wait. And our deployment started, and we need to wait a bit. And the deployment was successful, and now I can go to dashboard and check my project. And as you can see, we have links, and I can open it and check it on Next.js dashboard address. And as you can see, I have this URL. Okay, and now we have dashboard, and also we can go to invoices and return to main page. And also we can check another URL. Okay, and deployment was successful. And we can check docs. And okay, we saw the same image as here. And that's all that I had for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my Dev Web App channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.